Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove yellow triangle sign on any drive you have in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to replace the C with your drive letter guys. In my case, the problematic drive is C. That's why I'm not changing the letter. If you have any other drive, you just need to change the letter you have problem with. And after that, you just need to copy it, right click on it and copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close it up here. Now open up a file explorer. Go to this PC and you just need to refresh this page and your problem should be fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.